Today we're making these delicious keto lemon bars. They're sweet, tangy, buttery, and have only a few net carbs per serving. If you've been missing traditional lemon bars since starting a low-carb lifestyle, you're going to love this recipe. For the crust, we will start off with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Add 2 cups of superfine almond flour, 1/3 cup of your keto granulated sweetener of choice, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Mix it up very well. And press it into an 8 by 8 inch baking pan lined with parchment paper. And bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then we'll let it cool slightly while we make the filling. In a small pot on the stove, melt a 1/2 cup of butter, then remove from the stove and add in 1/2 cup of keto granulated sweetener of choice, a 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1/4 cup of lemon zest, and whisk it until the sweetener is dissolved. Then whisk in 6 egg yolks, then return it to the stove and over low heat, continue to whisk until it starts to thicken. Then strain out the lemon zest into another bowl. And then whisk in a 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin. Pour the filling over the baked crust and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until it is starting to brown. Let it fully cool and then cut into 2-inch squares. And that's it. If you liked this recipe, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.